With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. The question that we are going to discuss now is rhodopsin of the rod cells and iodospin of the cone cells of retina are proteins. Okay, so this is the assertion given, and the reason for it is given that myosine and actin, they are the contractile proteins. Now, if we talk about this assertion and reason, so we have to tell whether the assertion and reason are correct and whether the reason is the correct expression of the assertion or not. So let us discuss that one by one. The first, that rhodopsin of the rod cells. Now rod cells, we all know the rod cells and the cone cells, they are the phototopic cells. Okay, so they are the visual receptors or the phototopic cells. Okay, and this rod cells, they have a pigment that is known as rhodopsin pigment, okay, which is also known as visual purple. Okay, and it is what? It's a pigment containing sensory protein that converts the light into electric signal. Okay, so it contains sensory protein that is known as opsin protein, and it converts the light into electric signals. And this rhodopsin, it is found in a wide range of organisms. Now similarly, if you talk about the cone cells, these cone cells, they are containing a pigment which is known as iodospin. Okay, now this iodospin, it consists of protein component, and a bound chromophore. Okay, so it consists of protein and a brown chromophore, which is retinal. Okay, so yes, they both are what? They are both proteins in nature. So the assertion given is absolutely correct. And if you talk about this reason that myosin and actin, they are contractile proteins. Now contractile proteins are the proteins that mediate sliding of the contractile fibers of a cell of cytoskeleton. So they will form the sliding of the contractile fibers. Contractile fibers. Okay, and if you talk about the skeletal muscle, then the two contractile proteins which are present is the actin and the myosin. Okay, so if you talk about this actin, which is the thin filament, okay, and this myosin is the thick filament. And each actin filament, it is composed of what? It is composed of two helical F actin. So actin is composed of F actin, okay, and this is made up of multiple units of G actin. Okay, so this is that. And if you talk about this myosin, then this myosin, it is made up of meromyosin. Okay, so this is made up of meromyosin pigments, and they both are what? They both are the contractile proteins. So this reason is also correct, but the reason is not the correct explanation of the assertion as to why this rhodopsin of the red cell and iodopsin of the cone cell, they are proteins. Okay, so the reason and assertion are correct, but the reason is not the correct explanation of the assertion. So we will mark option 2 as the correct option for our question. Okay, I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, ITG and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.